So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make the drawing of Queen of Melody, Mrs. Lata Mangeshkar ma'am. She left us on 6th Feb. This is a tribute drawing. So I hope you all like it. Let's begin. Here you can see the reference image for this sketch. In this video I will only make the outline of the sketch, and in the next part I will make the details and do the shading in the sketch. So stay tuned for the part 2. So I hope you all liked my drawing. If then please like and subscribe to my channel. One thing I would like to say that ma'am, I know you are always there in our hearts, watching over and guiding us. May your soul rest in peace. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.